We are pleased to show you the 2020 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 2-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find capless fuel filler system, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, child safety locks, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, multifunction display, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, door courtesy lights, tachometer, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda Certified program is worth looking into.